वो discussion तो parallelly आपका चल ही रहा है. You want to now list the products on FirstCry also, so that somebody who wants to buy it as a B2C customer from FirstCry can buy it.
That's
Got
right.
that. So I'll introduce you to our toys team and our category team. Okay. They'll be actually be able to take this position for take this discussion forward. Okay, because I am part of the marketing team, which is a separate team. Just for my understanding, what would be the tentative MRP of this product?
Okay, so the MRP with the basic hardware,
Yeah,
without with any paid app and all the stuff, it is 2433.
2433. Okay, got it.
Okay, but if you add 1 year
Okay.
subscription, then it is 3633, 3633.
Okay. And ये जो 2433 होता है उसमें what are the basic things that you give? You give that board, and
We
how many sheets do you give with it?
5 sheets which are front and back, so there are 10 sheets. So yes,
Oh,
so
all
so
right,
so,
understood.
so this sheet like this way, and so there are 10 sheets.
Got it,
Yeah.
got it. Okay. And the manufacturing happens where?
So right now I'm starting a manufacturing in India also. So it is a
Oh, I see.
with the we will have a good capacity to build it up in India. That's not a problem.
Okay. And we have four major warehouses across India. Okay, which is Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Kolkata. So would you be able to deliver to these locations?
Yeah, easy, absolutely. Pune,
Okay,
Bangalore,
all right.
Hyderabad, and Kolkata. Is it?
Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Kolkata.
Okay, okay. Sure, we can do
Okay.
that.
So I think I'll introduce you to our category team, but I think typically the route that we take with all brands that we bring on board is we first start with what is called as a drop shipment model.
Okay.
All right, where we list your products, all right, and we decide mutually what would be the kind of commercials in terms of what is the discount that you would like to display, what is the pricing you'd like to display, and how much retention would FirstCry get on each sale. All right, and then FirstCry takes the order, and then there is a vendor panel which typically then you will receive the orders for that, and then you can fulfill the orders yourself.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is typically the route that we take. But like I said, I'll introduce you to the category team. Okay, they'll ultimately be the final decision makers for this.
Sure. Um, Chinmay, can I add some more things if there
Yeah,
is?
please.
Yeah. Uh, so let me tell you, my reason to reach out to you was with a very conscious effort pertaining to marketing.
Hmm.
There is something in the marketing which we have in mind, and that is something which I would like to explore.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you something. It's very interesting. It's a very noble thought. It is a very interesting thought also. It could be it could lead to something far more interesting from the marketing
Okay.
point of view. I'll share with you what it is. So prima facie, the way I would like to articulate this thought is that so you can see the app, okay? You can also see, for example, you can see how it actually works. That's not a problem. You can have one of your team member in the team to download the app, see it. Basically the way it works is you take a picture of the things which are there and then you create it, okay? What the way where we are working out is, now let's suppose, I'm just saying, for example, theoretically, let's suppose there are 26 products from A to Z on FirstCry. I'm just saying.
Yeah. Okay.
What we will want to do now, here is a completely different set of an activity, and that is that we are asking those parents or everybody who's there connected onto the FirstCry application, saying that we have a contest. We're launching a contest. So your job is to download the app and say AlphaTab app, and then create a sheet of the content of which is there from the FirstCry site. So we can say on the FirstCry site there are 26 hidden gems we have stored there. So you have to take it out, scratch it or whatever it is. You got my point, right? The idea is to increase the engagement, the presence on that. Now, when you do that, I'm sure you would have your own different ways of increasing the engagement. But I believe that this will basically go very deep because they're going to be doing the activity. So we are not just
Okay.
only having them to like photos randomly le rahe hain. We will have to have maybe there's a treasure hunt on the first cry site and all the stuff. We could You have to hunt it across. Whoever creates the first thing sheet and submits it across gets to win and all this stuff. Something like maybe a prize from AlphaTab and along with the first cry or whatever it is, something like that. But the way we can present it across is that this is about parental engagement,
Understood.
right? So, and this kind of a thing would have never been done in all the stuff ever. Somebody had never done it before. Okay, so this if we can work it out, maybe it can be done. Maybe initially to any school in the country, it could be that way. It could be even general public also because that's also okay. Or we could even initiate something like a similar thing with the first cry schools itself also. Even that's also
Mm.
okay. So multiple dimensions of it. The whole idea is that how do we and increase the engagement. I'm not looking at a 5 second, 10 second advertisement and then no. You're going to make people do it. It's an IKEA effect. You know it very well. And I think we believe that our product allows people to do that or allows us to forge that engagement. And I would want to explore in that direction a thought.
Mm. 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 Okay, I hear you. So, see, there are plenty of engagement things that we can do actually to drive engagement, and there are plenty of avenues available. We have a very strong social media handle as well, where typically these kind of giveaways, contests, those kinds of engagements work really well. We have a parenting community in First Cry Parenting, which resides on the same app as the First Cry app. So, वो भी एक opportunity है to drive engagement and drive users to your product as well as the app. Okay, and of course shopping site पे भी चीजें किए जा सकती है. But like I said, I think that the first step is for us to first figure out how to get the products onto First Cry
Okay.
and figure out how to get an organic momentum in place for these products,
Okay.
so that then we can figure out how to scale up in terms of ad opportunities or any kind of engagement opportunities or anything like that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Fine. No problem.
yeah. So as next steps, if you can just drop me an email, I'll send you my email ID.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's chinmay.palekar@firstcry.com.
Okay.
All right, I'll connect you to our category team.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so then let them have a discussion with you and let them bring you on board. uh, Hopefully all the commercials and stuff like that will work out for both of us, and
Sure.
so then we can connect again after that,
Sure.
once the brand is live and has sold for 1 or 2 months maybe.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
Understand. Fair enough. And you're based in Mumbai or you're based in
Pune.
oh, you're based in Pune. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah,
most of your team is based in Pune only. Is that what it is?
yeah. First Cry is headquartered in Pune.
Okay.
We have a sales office in Mumbai. We have sales offices in other parts of the country,
Okay.
but those are more for the retail teams that operate the stores.
Okay.
And our fashion team, our apparel team, the buying, designing, sourcing, everything happens out of the Mumbai office.
Okay. Understand. Understand.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
you, if I may ask, do you have a like a this kind of a product in your portfolio which also allows to
yeah. Not
forge
to
a
my mind. Not to my mind.
would
Although I'll need to check. Like I said, the category team would be very hands-on with this, and they would know if already something like this exists or not.
sure, sure, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
For me, at least,
I
this is
can.
something unique that I'm seeing today.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
I can definitely say there's none, but I would let your category team to then share with you because that's
yeah,
something which we would like to really. Uh, One of the only last thing I will say is uh,
yeah.
that it is not about vending the product; it is about forging a community of parents who are
Understood. Yeah,
sensitized that
I
they
see
need
what you're trying
they
to do.
need to
Yeah,
they need to contribute to their kid. That's something which
yeah.
we are wanting to do. Yeah,
It's nice.
yeah. Thank you, thank you,
All right. Thank you,
thank
Navneet.
you,
It
thank
was
you.
great talking to you.
Yeah. So एक मिनट आपका email ID है chinmay CHINMAY
Hmm.
dot PALEKAR at
Yes.
firstcry.com.
Yes.
Done. I will send you the message on that. Yeah.
All right. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Navneet.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.